Asphalt seal coating is a critical component of any proper preventative maintenance program, and it is so important that it is done right. With EverLine, you're getting the experts who know that the secret to any successful seal coating project is prep, prep, prep. What do? We ensure that the surface is clean by blowing and sweeping off any and all dirt, debris, and dust. We hand brush sealer on the perimeter and mask off any sensitive areas to ensure that they stay clean. We don't want any sealer where it doesn't belong. Once the preparation is complete, we use our industrial truck-mounted unit to apply our premium material over the entire surface, ensuring an even distribution of material, free of lap marks or poorly blended areas. Once that is done, depending on the temperature, the surface needs to be free of traffic for 24 to 36 hours to allow it to cure, giving it maximum durability. Asphalt seal coating looks great and maximizes the life of your asphalt. It's critical that the installers do it right, and you're getting that with EverLine.